Diabetes is a serious health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While it can be managed with medication and lifestyle changes, prevention is always better than cure. In this guide, we'll show you how to reduce your risk of developing diabetes and manage the condition if you've already been diagnosed. Before we dive into management and prevention, let's understand what diabetes is. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder characterized by high blood sugar levels. There are two main types. Type 1 diabetes. This is an autoimmune disease in which the body attacks the cells that produce insulin. Type 2 diabetes. This is a metabolic disorder that is caused by insulin resistance and impaired insulin secretion. Certain factors increase your risk of developing diabetes. These include family history, having a first-degree relative with diabetes. Age, being over 45 years old. Weight, being overweight or obese. Physical inactivity, not engaging in regular physical activity. Ethnicity, certain ethnic groups such as African Americans, Hispanics, Latinos, and American Indians. The good news is, while these risk factors can increase your likelihood of developing diabetes, they don't guarantee it. By making healthy lifestyle choices and managing your risk factors, you can significantly reduce your chances of developing diabetes. In fact, studies have shown that people who make healthy lifestyle changes can reduce their risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 58%. So don't let your risk factors discourage you. Instead, let them motivate you to take control of your health. Here are some tips to help you manage and prevent diabetes. 1. Eat to beat inflammation. Focus on consuming anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, turmeric, and leafy greens. Chronic inflammation can exacerbate insulin resistance, so reducing it through diet can help improve blood sugar control. 2. Get moving, but not just any movement. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your exercise routine. HIIT has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 3. Sleep your way to better blood sugar control. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Poor sleep quality and duration can disrupt glucose regulation, leading to insulin resistance and increased risk of diabetes. 4. Stress less, breathe more. Practice stress-reducing techniques like diaphragmatic breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or mindfulness meditation. Chronic stress can raise cortisol levels, contributing to insulin resistance and increased blood sugar levels. 5. Monitor your progress, not just your blood sugar. Keep track of your physical activity, sleep quality, and food intake. Monitoring your progress can help you identify patterns and make informed decisions to improve your overall health and diabetes management. 6. Get enough vitamin D. Maintain adequate vitamin D levels through sun exposure, supplements, or fortified foods. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. 7. Incorporate gut-friendly foods. Eat foods rich in prebiotic fiber, such as asparagus, bananas, and onions. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for proper glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you'll be better equipped to manage and prevent diabetes, taking control of your health and well-being. Managing and preventing diabetes requires a long-term commitment to healthy lifestyle habits. By understanding your risk factors, making healthy choices, and working with your healthcare provider, you can reduce your risk of developing diabetes and manage the condition if you've already been diagnosed. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. Again, remember, knowledge is power, and understanding diabetes can help you take control of your health. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to stay informed and take care of your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy.